In Trimble Business Center, with the Surface Modeling Edition, you do have some point cloud capabilities. You can import a .las file, whether it's been classified or never classified. It'll maintain those classifications in those regions. Basically, you just have to drag and drop it in or go through the import method. Now, when you first probably launch Business Center, unless you've customized your ribbons, you may or may not have the point cloud ribbon. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on that ribbon. If you go to the support tab, you click on set ribbon tabs, you'll see that you have basically just show license tabs, and it's under the default ribbon. You'll notice that you don't have point clouds. Now you can go to customize ribbon and turn it on, or if you go to the drop down and pick survey, you can uncheck the show licensed only, and you can see that you have point clouds. So if I select point clouds, if I've already done it, it's going to ask me because it's creating a custom ribbon here called survey custom. I'll go ahead and overwrite it. So by turning on the point clouds, now you'll see that that shows up on my ribbon. So I'm simply going to click OK. So all I've done is add the point cloud ribbon, and now you'll see that you've got some point cloud commands that we'll go through in this chapter of this knowledge app.